Most welcome to our channel. Riddle number 11. What gets wet while drying? Answer is a towel. Riddle number 12. What can you keep after giving to someone? Your answer is your word. Riddle number 13. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? Your answer is a barber. Riddle number 14. You see a boat filled with people, yet there is not a single person on board. How is that possible? Your answer is all the people on the boat are married. Riddle number 15. You walk into a room that contains a match, a kerosene lamp, a candle, and a fireplace. What would you light first? Answer: a match. Riddle number 16. A man dies of old age on his 25th birthday. How is this possible? Answer: he was born on 29 February. Riddle number 17. I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? Answer is a bank. Riddle number 18. What cannot talk but will reply when spoken to? Answer is an echo. Riddle number 19. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Answer: darkness. Riddle number 20. David's parents have three sons, Snap, Crackle, and what is the name of the third son? Answer: David.